Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jacob Letman here. Thanks for being with me. All right, hey, how's driving going for you? Hopefully well. Have you started driving? If not, if you need a Lyft sign-up code to get a bonus of up to $1,000, I'm pretty sure. I said that like a question. I'm pretty sure that's what the referral code is for. Check the video description below. Sign up, make that extra bonus money. You deserve it. All right, hey, we're talking about 5 things that every driver needs if you're driving for Uber or Lyft. Super important, some basic, some you know, some I guarantee you weren't thinking about. One, in fact, is on this list that I know for a fact you did not think about. Anyway, here we go. Let's get it started. Number 1, a charger. Oh my gosh, so basic, but you have to have a phone charger, right? And to go further, to expand on that further, not only should you have a phone charger for yourself, but I like to carry extra phone chargers for my passengers because especially like I've done a lot of airport rides, picking up business professionals. Oh, it goes such a long way. Also, a lot of the time, that demographic is using a company card for their ride, and they can tip you like up to 20 or 25%. I forget what the standard is on that. So anyway, that goes a long way. Have different chargers in case your passenger needs it. Number 2, a phone mount. This is like a basic thing, but I can't tell you. I've received several rides, right? Typically with like new drivers, I get in and they need the phone mount the most because they are like the least trained in doing this, right? But most of us, I don't know, I've been there at least where I didn't have a phone mount. I had some bad ones that like fell off, so I was, trying to hold my phone and give rides. It's not safe for one, and it looks very amateurish if you're trying to do that. So invest, get a phone mount. It's also a tax write-off. Get a good one. Personally, love the magnetic, well, I'm recording with my phone. It's going to show you. Love the magnetic phone mount because you can just easily put it on, take it off. You don't have to mess around with any clips or anything. That's just my preference. Anyway, I digress. Number 3, extremely important. And if you know about this one, I'm impressed. You need a mileage tracker. So here's why. So if you've done your taxes with rideshare driving, you will see that you get a report back from Uber or Lyft that will give you like your in-ride mileage. Okay, but that is not the only mileage that you should be tracking. Mileage is the number 1 tax write-off for taxes, and I'm trying to blank. Is it 59 cents a mile? Wow, I'm sorry. I should really know that, but I'm drawing a blank. Anyway, a mileage tracker. So Mile IQ is one, Everlance, or QuickBooks Self-Employed. I use that because I use QuickBooks Self-Employed for doing my taxes, and it directly links up with TurboTax, and you drive and it tracks your mileage, and then you can go through. Here's the biggest thing: go through at the end of each day. Just get in the habit, like brushing your teeth, taking a shower, go through and classify your rides as personal or for work, so that otherwise, if you let them build up, you'll just fall way behind. I've been guilty of that. But it's super important to track all your miles so that you can get the maximum amount of tax money back, or money that you don't have to pay on your taxes come tax time. Okay, so number 4 is going to be music. Music makes me lose control. Yeah. Get a streaming service. Radio sucks. Everybody knows radio sucks. Ads are just lame. And pay for it. Pay to not have ads on your music streaming. So Pandora is an option. That's pretty cheap. I have Spotify, and it's like $10 a month. Build different playlists. You can pull up different radios, right? Same with Pandora. If you do purchase one, tax write-off, right? It's a tax write-off. So that monthly premium you pay, come tax time, again, look at me just saving you all that tax money by switching to the Rideshare Hub videos. Number 5. You ready for this? Fuel efficiency monitor. I wish I had it on me. Actually, I don't know if it's called a monitor, but basically you can look it up. You can Google search it. There are different ones out there. It maximizes your fuel efficiency in your vehicle. You take it, you plug it into the code reader, which is usually like your steering wheel, right? It's usually like just under your dash, and it's got these prongs, and you just plug it in, and it works. They're kind of hit or miss. You're gonna have to do your research, find a good one, and if someone has one of these that works well, get at me in the comment section below. Let me know. The one that I have works pretty well, and it will save you, I would say, at least 5 miles per gallon, which over the grand scheme of things with driving will save you a lot of money on fuel costs. So definitely look into that super efficiency gauge or monitor. Anyway, again, it's to maximize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. And they're not even that expensive. So look it up, do that. I guarantee that's the one I bet you didn't know was coming. Okay, here's a bonus. We got a bonus. So there's 5. Here's your bonus. One of my favorites, the puke bag. If you're driving late nights, if your demographic is college kids, you're going to want to have a puke bag. So just get a sturdy plastic bag and keep it somewhere easily accessible, or keep multiple if you're really smart, because you don't want to have to deal with puke in your vehicle. It's like I feel like it just taints your vehicle, your poor vehicle. You don't want that, even though you get the cleaning fee, right? If it does happen, to get it taken care of, you don't want to have to deal with that. It ruins your night, right? You can't keep driving if someone throws up in your vehicle. Ugh. Puke bag. All right, that's my last one. That's my list of 5 things that every driver needs. I'm Jacob Lettman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here. Take care.